Hi friends and welcome to my channel. So today we are continuing with this series. So right now we have when you play, we can be able to pick up and equip these two weapons. So we have the assault rifle and we have the pistol, and also we have a third weapon that is the shotgun, but we can't keep it. So in this video I want to do that one to pick and keep the shotgun, but some people ask me to fix first the animation because that's fine for the assault rifle, but the pistol, if we what button we have, well, we have a pistol here. So if they aiming, that's fine, but if I don't aiming, they have really bad this animation. So we want to do this one not animated to be like aiming, and also fix how the logic of this animation blueprint be more easy to understand. So let's do fix this stuff. So let's close this and let's fix first the animation. So go to GTA, character animation, and we want to use DP animation blueprint. So let's open it. This is we want to fix. We don't want this is fine to use boolean for this if you have 2 or 3 weapons. Right now we only have 3, so it's fine to use boolean, but I want to modify this to be more easy to understand and also more easy to add new weapons, because I want to make this tutorial template like a real game, like a real GTA. So we want to have a lot of the different weapons, like melee weapon, also the sniper rifle, launchers, everything we wanted really. So we need to modify this. But first let's fix the pistol because it's the main issue. So let's go to the locomotion, go to idle first, because this is the problem probably. So when you're aiming, that's fine, pistol aiming correctly, but we want to have, when we have equipped the pistol, we have this pistol aim. We don't want to use this one. So let's use like the idle. I think it's fine. So let's open this guy, find it first, and let's duplicate it. So that way we don't modify the idle. So let's call this DP pistol idle, for example. I don't know. So we have that one. So let's go to animation blueprints, and here we need to find our pistol idle. So let's let's modify first. So let's open this one, having here, and we want to modify this. A lot of people ask me how to modify animation, so I'm gonna show you in this video. So they're supposed to be here. I don't know why it's open here, but if it's in here, you only need to go to skeleton 3, stop the animation, I go back to all the way down. So here we have already the pistol there, so it's a good reference. So I don't want to do nothing really fancy, really complicated, just to modify a little bit. So we only need to set, well, we can delete this socket because this for the template, we don't use it. So when they say this warning, you need to apply. So let's fix it. Okay, that's fixed. So let's go back to our what we're using the ham and arm, but I want to use the lower arm. So if I modify this from here, so let's set, open this a little like this. I know there's not really that much of the change, but they look like we have really something in the hand. So I think it's cool enough. So when you modify something here, you need to key. So press here, automatically we have this curve. So that's really where we need to focus on. So if we have this, we are fine. So let's save it. Now we have the modified animation. So let's go to DP animation blueprint. Let's find a pistol idle. Let's drag it right here. So let's compile and save. Let's go play and let's test it. So let's go to the pistol. So now you can see we have the pistol where they suppose. It's not perfect, but you can see the we create this animation. But when we're walking, we not fix it. So let's close this one. So go back to locomotion, walk and run. We need to change this also. But first, let's go to in the aiming. No, we are not aiming. So if we are keeping the weapon, it's not, so it's false. They're gonna be right here. So let's select this guy and change it for this one. Pow and save. Let's go play and let's see how they look now. So let's select this guy, so we have it, and if we move, we have this. So fix one thing less, so I'm a genius. Okay, so one is less, so let's close this one. So that is fine. So one thing out of the way, so let's save this. Let's close this one. Also, we want to change how the names or the enumeration have, because it's really complicated right now. So let's go GTA weapons and AD1. Okay, so I don't remember what I'm using, so or maybe for don't make this worse. So let's go to character mains. Pickup is fine, so let's go here. So we're using the AR4 for the rifle. Okay, so let's go here. AR4 is the rifle, so let's change this name for rifle. I think it have better meanings. I believe SMG is for the pistol, right? So yes, so SMG is for pistol. SMG pistol. So this one I want to use it for the sniper. So now we have this fix. Knife is okay. We can call this melee, or like what I call it. So it's this one: sniper, grenade, pistol, rifle, and shotgun. So let's create another one, and let's call this shotgun. So let's save everything, and automatically we have updating here. So it's really cool. So now it's better to understand, so we can add it the shotgun here when we do it in the next video. So this is fine. So let's compile and save. So one done. So we need to do the last thing. That is the more complicated part, because, well, not complicated, the most cleaning here, because this is really a little complicated to follow. So let's fix this. Okay, so let's modify this. So let's go to the Kickstarter blueprint. We can see we have this weapon type. So this is the best way to modify like this. So we want to do the same for the animation. So we want to update this. So let's close all this to have better reference. Go to event graph and let's do it from the start. So let's go to keep and keep weapon. So let's go right here and we can move all these just a little bit, and let's promote this. So now we have the reference we want. So let's go to true and connect this to here, and nothing happened. It look a lot better. So let's copy this and let's paste it in pick up. So we want to do it also here. Some people are said no, you don't need to do it if you said it one time. Yeah, but if we call this before the other one, they don't set it. So it's better to be sure they're gonna update this every time we do something with it. So it's better to do it. If you don't blame me later. So let's put this in here, this in here, and this in here. Okay, so we have one more to go, I think. So pick up, there's aiming, we don't have here. Cool. So fire weapon, I think done. Also chain weapon, we're using this one, so it's fine. So that's it. So let's go back to, well, we'll put it back to begin place. Let's go to DP Anim blueprint, and here let's go to event graph, and here let's update it, and here, so let's find something we don't use too much, probably aiming. So we have this one, so we want to update in here. So let's drag this and call get weapon type, I believe. Yeah, weapon type. So now we have the weapon type referent. So let's promote it. So now we have this. Okay, so let's compile and save. Let's go back to one of these because all this is the same. So I don't know why I have too many here. So let's just leave one. There's locomotion. Okay, so we have in here. This is the warning for control rig. We need to fix that also. So let's go to locomotion. Let's go to idle, and here let's fix this. Okay, so let's drag this guy. I believe they call switch on weapon type. No, it's not this one. We want to call blend by weapon type. Y. Okay, so let's weapon type E. Sorry, right here. So we selected. We have this. Sorry for the cough. I always check. I don't know why. Okay, so we have blend process here. So let's put this in the top. I think it's better. So let's connect this to this. So if you see we have only one, you select this. We're gonna have, well, not we select it or right click, and we can add everything we need. So we wanna open all of it. So let's go melee, sniper. I don't even know if it called melee. Okay, sniper. Grenade, let's do pistol, let's do rifle, let's do shotgun. Now we have this cleaner, and also we can modify the blend time, but the blend time is fine. So if we have more weapon, they're gonna go down, so we can leave this in the top. Okay, so let's fix all the stuff. Okay, so first is the first. So if we don't have nothing in the default, so it's fine. So let's connect this to the aiming because we want to have the aiming separate. Okay, so now we have the rifle. So we have the rifle hip. It's true if we have the keep on the equip weapon. The key weapon, I believe, is the side rifle, right? So let's connect this to the rifle. So we have this like this. Yeah, so we have this like this. This one is the idle, so this is the normal one. So we don't have warm-up, so gonna be default. So let's compile and save. We have this, so that's fine. Okay, so next we need to find the weapon type. So let's go here, weapon type. We don't want to be melee. Oh, we need to create another one. Okay. Let's go back to GTA weapons, and let's put one dummy here. So let's put this one to none. So that means we don't use it. We can put this the first. So let's see. So let's get to character and select this to none in the first. Okay, so let's go back to DP animation blueprints, and let's add it in here. No, I think I can move it. No, I can't, but it's okay. So let's connect this to none. So now they're supposed to update by done. So okay, later I fix that. Okay, so we have this one. We don't need this anymore. So if it's the pistol is true, we is the pistol. So let's put this back to here. So let's drag this guy to pistol. Okay, we don't need this, so let's close it and move all this stuff. And probably we want to modify this to this way. I like to do it this way. I don't know. to have more organized everything. Cool. Okay, one less. So let's see how this is looking. I think we need to modify this a little bit. So if we go play, we have non-animation, so that's fine. So if, let me gamepad. Okay, so if I pick up the pistol, they updating, so that's cool. Well, not perfectly, but we have to modify this a little bit. So that's our rifle also. So we need to update the animation, so they're gonna be in the DP character. So let's go back here. So we have this. Okay, so the weapon type always updating here. So if we have the pistol, they update here the pistol. If we don't, we want to set the weapon type to none. And we can put it in here also, so we don't have none. So let's save it. And the pickup, pickup socket, back socket, so it's the same thing. So we want to put this here, none, this one, none. Or you can connect from here if you want, but it's better to organize this a lot better. And probably to put this what they belong. So this one, they're gonna be rifle, this gonna be pistol, because I think we have an error here. See if I don't do that. So let's pick up also the weapon. So let's do it for whatever reason. Pistol, because I'm thinking about ahead, so why we have error or not. So that's probably error if we don't do that. So let's go rifle. There we go. So let's see. So let's go here. We don't have animation. That's cool. Well, not animation. The non-animation. So let's pick up this guy. Yeah. Now it's a lot better. Cool. So if I pick up this guy, we don't update it. So now we. It's still an issue sometimes. So I had to fix that. Okay, something between equip and equip. I can fix that. So let's close this. But first, let's finish this stuff. Okay, so let's keep. So we are doing this right. So this a lot better and cleaner. So we want to do the same for the aiming. So let's we can get these guys. So copy and paste. And let's put it in here. Yes, and this gonna be here. So we want to is because we are aiming, we don't need a lot of animation. For example, we don't need the default and we don't need the none. So let's get the pistol first. So let's disconnect this, put the pistol right here, and the idle side for the rifle is gonna be right here, so we can connect this to here. So now we don't need this at all. So let's compile and save. That is, don't worry about this warning because that means is we have a few we not connected, but we don't need it. So that's cool. So let's go like here, compile and save. Look okay, and also let's do the walk. So let's go here. Probably is I have it. Save it. Let's see. Yes, cool. Let's put it here. And the same thing. So let's go here to the aiming. And let's delete this. Well, don't delete it yet. So because if not, it's gonna be a mess here. So okay. Also, let me check something. Oh yeah, we have connected the pitch. Yeah, cool. Okay, so in one run we have more things to connect, but it's okay. So this is for the pistol. So for the pistol, go here. So we're going to move this you like that. This one is the nothing at all. So this one, well, I'm gonna do later. So let's do first the oh my god, the rifle. I don't know what I'm thinking. Okay, let's go this back to here. This is the rifle, and we need to move this guy. Yeah, and this one is nothing, so this none. So let's move this guy to here. And probably it's better to use, my gosh, like this. Let's find this so we can have this more cleaner, because I don't want to have the same error again. They don't look that great. So let's do it like this. So now we have everything clean. Yeah, so let's do the other one, so we don't need this anymore. And let's do this. So we have also for aiming. If you notice, whatever we're using the pitch, so we can do it right here. So that way always have the pitch like this. Also, let's get the pistol. They're gonna be here. So let's put it like that. And also the aside rifle, let's put it like this. Right. And this go like this. And these two is not that bad yet. So let's leave it like that. So save this. No, don't save it. Delete it. Also, we can put this. It's okay. Okay, so I think it's a lot better. Maybe it's complicated to understand, but it's better to connect things. So if we have a shotgun, they're gonna be shotgun. If we have a sniper rifle, we have from here. So it's easy to read, I think. Okay, so let's compile save, and let's see if everything is working correctly. If it not, we mess up something. When I mess up something. Okay, so let's go pick up this guy. That's fine. If I pick up this guy, that's fine. Cool. Yes, it's fixed. Okay, so the only thing we need is delete the thing we don't need anymore. So we don't need this boolean anymore. So we don't need this keep stuff. We can leave it. Yeah, we can leave it for now. We don't. Nah, probably we want to delete it because we don't need it really. Yeah, so I keep weapons. Let's delete these guys. So everything is cleaner. Also, we don't need these guys. So because if not connect anymore with the animation, so that was for the animation of course. So let's compile this. Let's check something here. Actually, we need it. Yeah, actually we need it. So let's go back to everything. Yeah, I don't want to mess this more than they really are. So let's leave it alone. Yeah. Because this for checking if we have a keep it or not. So it's better to leave it alone. Yeah. That's it for this tutorial. And the next video we have to fix. I find this error right here. That sometimes we don't change correctly this stuff. I think something, yeah, something with the, yeah, I keep and I keep when you doing twice. Yeah, so I had to fix that for the next video, and also added the third weapon so we can have different animation if we have the shotgun. Maybe I can do this also if we have more weapon than just two. For example, if you want, if not, I wanna do it when I doing right now, but fix that stuff. So like I said, if you want to support me, you can go to my coffee page. You can donate the money you want, like just minimum $1. So if you want to subscribe to the coffee, you can have exclusive stuff. For example, you're gonna have um, this project file from these tutorials, the project file for GTA also, and you can watch the video before I publish in the channel. And also you supporting the YouTube channel and my game I'm creating right now. So like I always say, thank you for watching. I see you in the next video. So bye bye.